Hello dear friends, welcome back to the quiz mask. It's another exciting challenge for you all, the unique and exciting human body quiz. The question number 1, what is the best way to keep your bones strong? The right answer is option C, consume calcium. Which vitamin is essential for healthy bones? The right answer is option C, vitamin D. How much water should an average adult drinking daily? The answer is option C, 3 liter. What is the natural source of protein for healthy hair? The right answer is option B, eggs. What minerals is important for healthy bones and teeth? The right answer is option B, calcium. Which food is great for improving hair growth? The right answer is option A, spinach. Why is sleep is important for your body? The right answer is option C, helps mind recovery. What's the best time to brush your teeth? Right answer is option B, after every meal. What helps the better digestion? Answer is option A, chewing food. Which vitamin is important for healthy skin and hair? The right answer is option B, vitamin B7. Hey dear viewers, hit the subscribe button for more interesting and knowledgeable quizzes. What type of exercise is best for bone health? The right answer is option A, weightlifting. What nutrients strengthen the immune system? The right answer is option C, vitamin C. What is a good habit for healthy eyes? The answer is option A, eating carrot. Which organ removes toxic from the body? The right answer is option B, liver. Which activity helps improve the lungs health? The right answer is option C, deep breathing. What is the sign of dehydration? The answer is option A, dry mouth. What is the body's natural way to fight against diseases? The answer is option A, immune system. How many hours of sleep do adults need for good health? The answer is option B, 7 to 9 hours. What is the main function of skeleton? Right answer is option B, support and support to the body. What makes your bone weak? The right answer is option B, smoking. Hey dear viewers, hit the subscribe button and support to the quiz mask. What helps build your muscles? The right answer is option C, protein. What is a good source of calcium? The right answer is option A, cheese. Which body part is never stop working? The right answer is option C, brain. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? The right answer is option B, vitamin D. Which is the healthy snacks for bone? The right answer is option A, yogurt. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the Quizmas channel for more interesting and knowledgeable quizzes.